Welcome to Great Ceramic, your trusted partner in precision ceramic machining. In today's high-performance industries, advanced ceramics are more essential than ever. But machining these hard and brittle materials with micron-level precision? That's a true test of expertise. At Great Ceramic, we specialize in precision machining of technical ceramics. From concept to completion, we deliver tight-tolerance solutions for your most demanding applications. We machine a wide range of materials: alumina, zirconium oxide, silicon nitride, aluminum nitride, boron nitride, silicon carbide, and more. Each handled with tailored techniques. Using advanced CNC systems, we achieve ultra-fine surfaces and repeatable accuracy at scale. From rapid prototyping to full production, we're equipped to handle your ceramic machining needs. And we support you every step of the way, with engineering insight and responsive service. Great Ceramic. Precision, consistency, reliability. Visit us at great-ceramic.com to learn more. Thank you for watching.